Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan ngayong January 2025 money, career, finances. So let's see what's coming to you. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps a lot dito sa channel natin. Okay, let's see, Aries. What is up? Kaperahan. Manta Ray. Ooh, okay. You have the Manta Ray. Manta Ray is about calibration. So, maaaring meron kang inaayos. May inaayos ka sa spending habits mo. May mga binabayaran ka or babayaran kang mga loans na gusto mo ay mabawasan na for this month. Kumbaga, you are meron kang inaayos na budget plan. Ayan, meron kang budget plan for January. You also have sea urchin. Sea urchin is protection. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are protecting your finances, maaring may kukuha sa inyo ng mga insurance, or magsisave na kayo. Mas magsisave kayo ng money ngayong January. Kasi kung dati hindi kayo masyadong naging seryoso sa pera ninyo, so ngayon, mas seryoso na kayo. You also have desert. Desert is adaptation, no? Yung being flexible. So, maaring you will also increase yung inyong mga sources of income. Mas magiging flexible yung pamamaraan nyo para kumita ng pera. Hindi lang isang source of income yan. So, you might be exploring other opportunities to earn money. Aside from pagtatrabaho, you will also have yung mga sideline, side gig, side hustle, or members of the family, tutulungan ka para makapag-business. So, you're really using your resources. Yung ginagamit mo yung iyong resources para mag-increase ang iyong income. Let's see, what else pa? For Aries, money, career, finances. You have the Two of Cups. This is partnership. You may be involved in business partnership or yung romantic partner mo, someone is close to you, yan, yung tutulong sa'yo. Or kung ikaw naman ay let's say, stay-at-home dad, stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home parent. So, yung partner mo, katuwang mo siya sa pagbuo or pagsaayos ng inyong finances. So, you have the world. Yung iba sa inyo merong abroad. Oo, na kamag-anak or maaring kayo yung nasa abroad. Or yung mahal sa buhay nyo. Meron ditong completion. So, yung iba sa inyo meron kayong nakompletong bayarin or na may nakompleto na kayo na cycle sa inyong finances. Let's say, nag-iipon ka ng 100,000, ganyan. And then, naipon mo na siya, natapos mo na siya, or matatapos mo siya ngayong January. Some of you naman, may mga rewards din dito and success. So, kung ano man yung mga sacrifices mo, efforts na binigay mo for your career, for your business, it is rewarding. Nakukuha mo yung rewards na yan. You have the Page of Pentacles. So, hindi ka rin tumitigil sa pag-aaral. Hindi ka rin tumitigil sa pag-explore ng iba pang pwede mong matutunan that will expand your knowledge in money, in your career, no? So, yung iba sa inyo may training, yung iba may bagong trabaho or business na sinisimulan and you are learning from it. You also have the Four of Wands. This is stability. Yung iba sa inyo, involve yung family ninyo, no? As either sa business or sa pag-create nyo ng abundance sa buhay ninyo. So like, parang tulungan. We also have the Queen of Swords. Strength and ambition. Ayan. So, mas marami kang ambition for ngayong January. I think marami kang gustong maidagdag na ari-arian or ma-acquire na properties ngayong January. And also, this is cutting off yung mga unnecessary spending. So, pwedeng mas nagiging, aside from nagiging yung mas nagsisave, nag-iipon, nagiging masinop ka rin sa pera. Kung ano lang yung kailangan. Yun lang talaga yung, pagkakagastusan mo. Okay. Let's get some other messages. Money, career, finances for Aries. Determination. Consistency is the key. So, kung pagiging consistent, always showing up, nandyan ka sa mga pangarap mo, sa trabaho mo, career path mo, then definitely, yung iyong mga pinagpaguran, pinaghirapan ay magiging worth it. So, you also spend some time with nature, lalo na kapag medyo stress ka. So, wag mo rin kalimutan na lumabas, magpahangin, maglakad-lakad, spending time with nature. There is change coming in. Definitely itong transformation na to is upgrade, no? So it's either may upgrade ka sa mga gamit mo or sa mindset mo pagdating sa pera or sa trabaho mo. Pwedeng iba kayo ay tawag doon, mapopromote. Ayan. Mapopromote kayo sa work. Or there's growth din. Merong pag-unlad dito sa mga nasimulan yung trabaho or career or business. The wisdom and messages of the divine are within you. You are divinely guided, Aries, sa path na inyong tinatahak. So, alam niyo talaga, you know what you're doing. You know what you are capable of. So, alam mo yung mga kakayanan mo. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. So, yes, like what I mentioned kanina, this makes sense with the Two of Cups. Beneficial partnership pagdating sa trabaho, sa business. Yung iba, may involve rin kayo sa mga romantic partners ninyo pagdating sa business. So, pwedeng kung kayo mag-asawa, kung kayo ay magjowa, syempre with precaution, lalo na kung hindi pa kayo mag-asawa, hindi pa kayo kasal, dahil kapag nag-business yung magjowa pa lang, no, meron kasi yung mga alam mo na, you can never tell, no, paano, what if hindi mag-work out yung relationship nyo, tapos may negosyo kayo, so medyo complicated yon. So kailangan you have to protect your rights. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. O, diba? To trust, magtiwala ka sa iyong sarili, magtiwala ka sa pagbabago na yan. At mag-adapt ka rin. So, yung adaptation kasi na yan is pagiging flexible, resilient, no? Na ikaw rin mismo sa sarili mo ay gagawa ng mga improvement. Oo. Para kaya mong sumabay sa agos, sa pagbabago. Seize the moment in life and love or lose it forever. Oh. So, yung experience mo, kumbaga ninanamnam mo yan. Yan ay yung, you are willing to go through the proseso na kailangan mo pagdaanan. Let's say, may negosyo ka, hindi naman lahat yan masaya. May times na masustress ka. May times na mapufrustrate ka, but that's part of it, no? So, seize the moment and learn from it. And even sa trabaho, 'di ba? Hindi mo naman agad-agad yan magiging kabisado, no? Hindi ka naman agad-agad magiging expert. So, you have to start somewhere and learn, okay? Let outward deeds and words match inner feelings. So, this is expression, self-expression. I think you are also going to be very true to yourself na kung ang isang bagay ayaw mo, you will tell someone na hindi mo gusto yung nangyayari, or pag gusto mo, you will also appreciate. So, self-expression and knowing na yung ginagawa mo is you're doing it because you want it. This is your passion. At totoo ka sa mga goals mo talaga. Hindi dahil sa sinabi lang yan ng ibang tao sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading. Aries, thank you so much. See you again.